This session will serve yet as another review of the entire Codex structure. We have discussed that the Codex develops its standards, guidelines, and recommendations through the use of subsidiary bodies, and that Codex has established 4 types of subsidiary bodies, each hosted by a member country established to carry out its work. The first category is the General Subject Committees, also referred to as horizontal committees, which establish standards and guidelines applicable to all foods without distinction. The second category is the Commodity Committees, also referred to as vertical committees. These committees prepare standards for specific food commodities. The third category is the FAO-WHO Coordinating Committees, through which regions or groups of countries coordinate food standards activities in the region, including the development of regional standards. And the fourth and last category is the ad hoc intergovernmental task forces, which are time-limited and prepare standards and guidelines on specific issues not covered by other committees. As you can see in this schematic, we have an overview of the structure of Codex. At the top of the structure is the Commission. The Commission, or Codex Alimentarius Commission, or CAC, is the decision-making body of the joint FAO-WHO Food Standards Program. The Executive Committee of the Commission, or CCExec, acts as the executive organ of the Commission. It is the body responsible for managing the standards development process, for developing the draft strategic plan, for reviewing applications for observer status, and for making other recommendations about the general direction of the Commission's work. Now, to lead both the Commission and the Executive Committee, we have executive officers. And the executive officers include a chairperson and 3 vice chairpersons elected amongst the delegates of the members of the Commission. The Commission elects executive officers for a period commencing at the end of the session in which they are elected until the end of the following regular session. The Codex Secretariat assists the CAC in the implementation of the joint FAO-WHO Food Standards Program and report to the Director Generals of FAO and WHO. Now, let us review the various committees. So we have the General Subject Committees, we have several Commodity Committees, active as required, but many of which have been adjourned sine die. Where required, we may rely on ad hoc intergovernmental task forces, which would be set as needed. And of course, we have the 6 FAO-WHO regional committees. Now, this is the overall structure of the Codex committees after the 46th session of the Codex Alimentarius Commission, which was held in November of 2023 and which witnessed the commemoration of the 60th anniversary of the Codex Alimentarius Commission. And at the time of the production of this program, we can see in fact the structure of Codex with the various committees and particularly the various regional committees. Uganda was re-elected to be the coordinator for Africa, China was re-elected to be the coordinator for Asia, Germany was elected to be the coordinator for Europe, Fiji was re-elected to be the coordinator for North America and the Southwest Pacific, and Saudi Arabia was re-elected to be the coordinator for the Near East region.